Wearing Bolle prescription safety glasses is a great way to improve your eye safety. They offer a secure fit and a wide range of styles to suit all your needs. I'm Armand from RX Safety, and today I'm going to talk about some of the best Bolle prescription safety glasses. Now, Bolle has been in the business of manufacturing protective eyewear for over a century. Eventually, the company turned its focus to protective personal equipment eyewear for industrial environments. One of the best parts about the brand, besides the quality of their products, is the prices of their very affordable frames. A great choice is the Bolle Kick, a frame with built-in impact-resistant side shields that provide great lateral protection. These stylish safety glasses are ideal to be worn in industrial environments, such as construction or manufacturing. For more comfort, they feature rubberized nose pads and their lenses are prescription available. In addition, the Bolle Kick meets rigorous industry standards and is ANSI Z87 approved for optimal protection. Bolle prescription safety glasses are specifically designed to accept most prescriptions. This means that you'll be getting your money's worth, as well as a secure, comfortable fit. This brand has a variety of styles, such as the metal frames of the Bolle OMF167. These prescription safety glasses feature non-slip adjustable nose pads for a comfortable fit and come with a riveted side shield for additional protection. They are also available in 2 different sizes and are ANSI Z87 approved. The main reason to wear prescription safety glasses is to protect your eyes. And the options that Bolle has on offer has an abundance of options to meet your needs. The Bolle Hustler, for example, is an alternative that is ideal for offshore activities and when working around water. With non-slip bridges and temples that provide extra comfort for all-day wear, these prescription safety glasses provide optimum protection and glare reduction. In addition, they meet both ANSI Z87 and CSA Z94.3 safety standards for optimal protection. All these frames and many more are available at RX Safety, an official dealer of Bolle safety glasses. Make sure to check out the collection in the link in the description. And if you have any questions about our Bolle safety glasses, leave a comment below or contact us at rxsafety.com.